All right, good morning. Today's cheetah day for Tyreek Hill. Today is our mastery check-in, so we're just going to kind of go through. We'll review our sounds and then spell some of our suffixes and sounds, read some words, and then we'll do our mastery check-in, all right? Do the best job you can do. And if you ever need to stop the video, if I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause it and restart it when you're ready to go. And also, and that's on the mastery check-in too. And then don't forget on the mastery check-in that you're going to blend the words yourself. I won't actually stop and do that. All right, here we go. Whoa, sorry. All right, go ahead and read these sounds out loud. And I'm going to go pretty quick. Okay, and go ahead and put a l sound in between there. Ale, ol, I'll, eel, I'll, you'll, j, r, oo. All right, and we're ready to spell our sounds. So the first sound that we're going to say is ed. Say it with me. Ed. Oh, that's not what I wanted. It is at the end of a word. Okay, ed. Go ahead and write it down. Okay, and that is ed. Very good. All right, the next one is bull. Like able, capable, table, bull. Say it with me. Bull. And B-L-E. The next one is goal. Like Google. Say it with me. Goal. And write it. Whoops. G-L-E. Okay, and then we want to write the long E 5 ways. So we worked on this yesterday as well. Let's see if you remember any of these. 5 different ways for the long E. So it's going to say its name, E. So we've got E-E. We've got just E. We've got E, another letter, E. We've got Y, that's our new one, like grumpy. And we've got E-A. All right, give yourself a woo-woo if you got all those. Woo-woo. All right, and then we want to do D 2 different ways. D. So, of course, we could simply just have the D, but then we could also have the ED. All right, give yourself a 2 snaps. All right. And moving on to reading our words. Here we go. Evoke, inform, aside, decay, unpack, extend. Elect, defend, exist, rejoin, inject, erase, infest, before, remark, edict, revise, exact. Spoiled, reported, fooled, rested, winked, armed. Invented, marked, started, elected, coiled, passed. Called, asked, needed, acted, thanked, played. Sleepy, badly, hardly, nicely, barely, moody. Darkly, roomy, sweetly, partly, army, justly. Weakly, crusty, handy, smelly, richly, gloomily. In our sentences, Harper slouched alone at the end of the dock. It was a gloomy, windy day, but not raining. Ducks and geese were squawking close to him. Fish were jumping a few yards from the shore. All right, and we are ready for our mastery check-in. So here we go. The first word is relaxing. Say it with me. Relaxing. Okay, go ahead and write it down. Okay, number 2, hunted. Say it with me, hunted. Okay, number 3, frosty. Say it with me, frosty. And write it. Number 4, clumped. Say it with me, clumped. Number 5, growled. Say it with me, growled. The dog growled at the rabbit. Growled. Number 6 is a sight word, put. Say it with me, put. Number 7, strictly. Say it with me, strictly. And I want you to segment that word and break it where the syllable is. Remember that we separate that suffix from the word. And then show me what kind of syllables we have on each side. Strictly. Number 8, stranded. Say it with me, stranded. It's got that D at the end. Number 9, switched. Say it with me, switched. Number 10, strongly. Say it with me, strongly. And I want you to break that one apart. And again, remember we break the suffix from the word. And then show me what kind of syllable is the first syllable and what kind of syllable is the second syllable. Number 11, push. Say it with me, push. That's a sight word. Number 12, stretchy. Say it with me, stretchy. Go ahead and write it. Number 13, widely. Say it with me, widely. And write it. Number 14, hounded. Say it with me, hounded. Number 15, trained. Say it with me, trained. And write it. Number 16 is a sight word, bush. Say it, bush. Number 17, scruffy. Say it with me, scruffy. and write it. Number 18, blinked. Say it with me, blinked. Number 19, flexing. Say it with me, flexing. And number 20, gained. Say it with me, gained. All right, make sure you've done your personal best, name and date on your paper.